Hey guys, it's Callie and Kalal. We're gonna unbox
Para
our Christmas
makita rin
gifts.
daw habang
So this is
nag-aaral ka.
Kalal's. It's just to Kalal. Merry Christmas from Ate Reams and Kuya I can't read. Ronan. So let's wait for Kalal. He's getting something. His set. Satisfying. Mom, where did you find these gifts? They look 3D printed. Okay, let me open this. Okay, hold on, guys. Let's open it. I know. It's soft. Okay, guys, it's just soft and it's soft. You got a practice book. It's like what we have.
Oh, like the one that I bought.
Yeah, but it comes like in 3 only.
So, you need to practice writing, ah.
So this is Kalal's product. And there's like pens. Okay, let's put it on your side. How do you rate this?
Wait.
9 out of 10.
10.
7 or 9 out of 10. Anyways, I'm gonna choose a random gift. Ah, shoot. You heard nothing. Anyways, here you go. So this is Callie from Ate Sophie is there an and? Ate Jazz and Kuya Troy. Ooh, Kuya Troy. Ooh. So like, just open.
Itikim lang sa'yo. What time did you sleep last night?
I don't know.
Mga alas 2.
What's alas first?
2. Around 2.
Oh,
So, you sleep right away.
yeah, but I think too.
Hmm.
Here we go. It's socks, I think, or panties.
Fancy.
Wear it and love it. Oh my gosh, I love this word. It's like cute little bunny themed, I think. Okay, now we're gonna wait for Kalal real quick.
There is a living dog.
Hey guys, Kalal is back. So choose one gift, this one or this one. Okay, next we're gonna go into this SM store bag. Let's see what's inside it. I'll hold it for you. Hold on, wait. Let's check who made this for you. Walang name.
This one, Tita Toast.
Oh, Tita Tos ito. Pull it. I'll hold it. You pull it. Pull this. Pull this. No, the inside. Pull what's inside. And it's
Can I see?
it's a Thomas pillow, guys. Thomas and friends.
Next na yun.
This is what this in his item collection.
Kaya mo yung video to. I said na to.
Come here.
Next we have this. You know what it is.
Yeah, it's money.
Money, green, money. How much it anyway?
Ikaw na kung gano'n. Guys, tingnan nito yung mukha.
Anyways, next is this from me. This is for me.
Ano to?
And I think it's from Tita Tol. So yeah. Let's open it. Okay.
Ayan na lang.
Okay. Put in my trash area.
Oh, it's a color pen.
Ha? Asa na yung titik mo?
Ito, kumuha ka naman.
Ate, be careful nga.
Sorry, Daddy. Anyways, here we go. These are the markers. The markers.
Ha?
And this is the
Meron
book.
naman ganito eh.
Ano yung kalit sa'yo?
Okay, the last one for Kalal is this one. So I'm just gonna open it for him, but let's see if he'll go. Kalal, do you wanna? Okay, guys, Kalal is back opening the last one. Oh, this is my money. Don't touch this. Yeah, this is the last one because he has the same as me and it's money too. Anyways, let's open it. Hold on, again. First, let's read it. To Christmas from Tito Omel and Tita Sweet.
They gave you money
Let's
and-
open it.
Wow! Ooh, what's that?
Underwear.
They gave you,
I
they gave you money and gift.
finally
Hot or
I got clothes. He finally got the Batman he wanted from.
Gusto pa na,
Okay, guys, we're gonna open the rest of mine. Okay, so this is the to Callie Merry Christmas from Ate Rims and
Maybe Kuya Ronan. Right?
Kuya, yeah, Ronan again.
Ginaganon-ganon ako.
Yung sa mga ASMR.
Kaya pala na-miss yung mama. Na-miss niya yung ano, katabi niya.
Labubu.
Wow. It's a bag.
Wow!
Ooh, this one's the one I.
It's a cute bag, no?
Labubu.
It's the purse with the
It's a
strap.
small purse.
Wow!
Okay, so the last.
colleague asked when we're small, there's no unboxing because we don't get so much gift.
Next we have this one. This is to Callie Merry Christmas from Tito Omel and Tita Sweet. Kame. Oh, how do they wrap things these days? We are hunters like a strong and iron.
Wow.
We're going up,
Wow.
up, up.
K-pop
It's our
yan, ah.
moment. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm happy. Last but not least gift is from Kuya Troy to me, Kelly. Anyway, let's open it.
Wala pa yung Kuya Kuya.
It's a bubble and it's like the ping pong thing. Another stuff.
Oh, send that to us.
Thank you. So let me show you what it looks like. All the gifts that we got. What I got. What he got. This I don't have this because I ate it. Bye.